Hello friends, I'm Sujata. Once again, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is my favorite dahlia flowers, popular dahlia varieties. There are over 42 types of dahlias and innumerable hybrids. These exotic beauties range in size, color, and texture. Due to their wild colors and interesting shapes, dahlias make great addition to gardens, bouquets, and arrangements. First one is cactus and semi-cactus dahlias. Cactus dahlias are by far the most dramatic of all dahlias. These blooms are double flowering with long rolled petals, giving them a spiky look. These type of dahlias feature a variety of colors and can range from miniature flowers to giant blooms. Cactus types are classified as incurved cactus, straight cactus, and semi cactus. Decorative dahlias. This is the largest category of dahlias and offers a variety of colors and shapes. Unlike the cactus types, decorative dahlias have broad and flat petals. These versatile blooms are double flowering and they are either classified as formal or informal. Informal decorative dahlias have petals that evenly and regularly placed, while informal type have flat petals that are slightly rolled at the tip and are placed irregularly. Single dahlias. Single dahlias feature a row of overlapping petals that are flat, or slightly cupped. The uniform petals on a single dahlias can be rounded or pointed. These type of dahlias are single flowering and can be over 2 inches in diameter. Mignon Dahlias. Mignon dahlias are similar to single dahlias and are sometimes even categorized together. The main difference are mignon dahlias tend to under 2 inches in diameter and feature petals with round tips. The daisy-like flowers bloom in a variety of vivid colors, often around a contrasting center. Pompon dahlias. These are generally small, double flowering blooms with flat petals arranged in spiral. These are almost perfectly round and feature tightly rolled quill like petals. These delicate blooms reach a maximum of 2 inches in diameter. Ball dahlias. Ball dahlias are either shaped like a ball or slightly flattened sphere. These petals of ball dahlias can be blunt, rounded, or indented and usually displayed in a spiral arrangement. Anemone Dahlias. Anemone Dahlias have an outer ring of flat petals surrounded a dense group of long and tubular petals. These big blooms are popular choice of bouquets. These make great cut flowers and can introduce vivid colors and texture to any arrangement. Colored dahlias. Like Anemone Dahlias, colored type feature large flat petals that surrounded a ring of shorter petals. The smaller petals are often a different color, forming a collar in the middle of the bloom. The open flower structure of the bloom make it attractive to pollinators, so it's perfect addition to any garden. Peony Dahlias. These are beautiful single flowering blooms that have open centers. The center is surrounded by two or more rows of large petals. These petals are often irregularly formed, giving this unique bloom a fluffy look. The, this textured look make it an interesting addition to any bouquet or arrangement. Orchid Dahlias. Like peony dahlias, orchid dahlias are also single flowering and feature an open center. Orchid dahlias are either classified as single orchid or a double orchid. Single orchid dahlias feature one row of petals and double orchids have two rows of petals that hide the center of the flower. Water lily dahlias. Unlike orchid dahlias, water lily dahlias resemble their namesake, the water lily flower. They have breathtaking double blooms made up of broad and sparse petals. The flowers are extremely eye catching due to the striking color and pattern. So, friends, this is all about the topic. Hope you like the video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell notification so that you can get the new videos. If you like it, then hit the like button. Also share this video with family, friends and relatives. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.